talk about the home. Don't do me wrong, no. Don't talk about the home. Now you can't go back to your used to be. Tell me you love me, lying on my bed, drinking your Crown Royal, talking all out your hair, talking all out your hair. Now you can't go back to your used to be, child. Don't give me no money, don't buy me no clothes. You don't give me no money, don't buy me no clothes. That's why, baby, I've got to let you go. Now you can't go back to your used to be. I'm so tired, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Don't do me wrong, no. Don't do me wrong. Don't do me wrong, no. Now you can't go back to your used to be. It was the hardest thing I've ever done. Had to plead with the stars to call you home. In my selfishness, the minute that you left this earth, I wished it had been someone else's prayer. I awake to your words in the rain, in the wind. Before I realize you're not here again, I search this empty house for signs of you in the shadows now. And this must be someone else's prayer. In the half-light, faith calls to me. you free. These days you come to me through a red-winged bird, with a message of love out of this world, without suffering. The chimes of mercy cease to ring, and this must be someone else's prayer. I wish this had been someone else's prayer. My love in, push me away, cherish this life or ruin our days. I'll offer my time, babe, yes, but you could refuse. I said morning glory, midnight blue, morning glory, midnight blue. What's it gonna be? Which one's for you? Yeah. We could step on the gas or stall in the wind. You could love me like a good man, or I could leave here again. Settle this now, babe, yeah, I'll hide with the truth. I said morning glory, midnight blue, morning glory, midnight blue. What's it gonna be? Which one's for you? Make up your mind, you've got to tell me what's on your mind. Come on and tell me. Tell me. Go on now. We could treat each other right, or be what's wrong with the world. Put the fire out, yeah, we could watch it all burn. You wanna fly with the birds? There's much to do. I said much to do. Yeah, much to do. Morning glory, midnight blue, midnight blue. Morning glory, oh, yes, Lord. I said a midnight blue, midnight blue. What's it gonna be? Which one's for you?